For decades now, Ethiopia has exported raw, unprocessed agricultural produce, like coffee, for example, effectively only earning a fraction of their potential value. But the country is now making a rather big bet on industrial parks to try and change course. These industrial parks are looking to create linkages between smallholder farmers on one hand, but also industries and end clients on the other, to deepen value chains and have a lot more of the value of the things that Ethiopia grows retained in the country. Becca Atoma tells us more from Bulbula in Ethiopia on this Africa Industrialization Day.
180 kilometers southeast of Addis Ababa, in the central Oromia region, lies the Bulbula Integrated Agro-Industrial Park, extending over 271 hectares of land. The park, one of the largest agro-industrial parks in Ethiopia, currently houses about 15 factories, some still under construction, while others are already in production.
This park is designed so that any agricultural product, whether it's cereals or livestock products, can be brought here and processed. Instead of exporting raw materials, we add value locally, create jobs and supply to both domestic and international markets.
TK Industrial Group is a conglomerate of 7 integrated factories based in the park, primarily producing cooking oil.
We have almost five oil products: sunflower, soybean, palm, and soya and palm oil blend, and sunflower and palm oil blend. Additionally, we have black cumin oils also. We make cold pressing. We extract the oil from that. The byproduct we used for animal feed. The oil it's exported for international market and also for national market.
According to Mesfin, all the raw seeds, with the exception of palm, are sourced locally.
Raw material sources this is collected from different local markets, from the farmers. We make the cooperation with the farmers. We collected. It is a seasonal. Now it is a collection time for this year. So we already assigned the personnel and also make agreement with farmers. And also we planned to give training for the farmers, because if the farmers not keep the quality, we can't get the quality products.
Import substitution is among the main objectives of the country's industrial parks. Cooking oil is one of the most imported food products in Ethiopia, costing the country millions of dollars in foreign currency every year. But the factory behind me, located in Bulbula Agro-Industrial Park, is working to change that. It produces cooking oil using locally harvested seeds such as soybeans and sunflowers, and has the capacity to refine up to 100,000 liters of oil per day. With the African Continental Free Trade Area Agreement widening regional access, the Bulbula Integrated Agro-Industrial Park sees an opportunity to attract more investors and drive exports.
AFCFTA is a major regional advantage we leverage to entice investors. It motivates them to invest, targeting beyond the local market and earn foreign currency through exports, and we actively advocate for it.
Despite the progress, constraints such as limited investor readiness and financing shortages continue to slow the full potential of industrial parks across the country. If some of these challenges can be addressed, parks like this one could help drive Africa's next wave of industrialization by keeping more value within the continent and connecting small farmers with industries. Becca Atoma, CGTN, Bulbula, Ethiopia.